Welcome. In front of me is OPPO Reno 14 Fast 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if the speaker on your phone is not working correctly. First of all, go to settings and check the sound and vibration settings. Check the volume levels on your phone. You can adjust them by moving the sliders next to each option you see on the screen, and this way you can turn the volume up. You can also do the same thing by pressing the volume buttons on the side of your phone, and after that check if your speaker sound has improved, and if it didn't improve, then check the bottom edge of your phone. Here's the speaker of your device, so you can use a, if you see that it's clogged, then use a soft non-metallic brush to clean it carefully, and make sure that you don't break your brush inside the speaker, because it will make the situation much worse. Next, what I want you to do is disable Bluetooth, which you can do by sliding down the control center and turning off your Bluetooth. This way you will make sure that no devices are connected to your smartphone that may use your speaker, like headphones or external speakers. Then what you can do if this problem isn't resolved yet is restart your phone into the safe mode. To do that, press volume up key and the power button at the same time, select restart, then wait until your device turns off, and once it's turned off, wait until you see the OPPO logo on your screen, and once you see it, wait for about 3 seconds and then start pressing the volume down button until your phone slightly vibrates. So start holding the volume down button at this point, and let's wait until your phone boots up and vibrates. Okay, and now you can release the volume down button and just wait for a couple more seconds, and once you are in the safe mode, you'll see the indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. So now check the way your speakers work right now. You can do it by going to sounds and vibration once again and testing your sound here, and hopefully everything works for you well right now. But if it's not, then go to settings, go to system and update, go to backup and reset, select reset phone, and select reset all settings, confirm. Okay, and right now you can restart your phone by pressing the power button and the volume up key at the same time. Select restart and wait until your device reboots into the normal mode, then reconnect to the internet and check if everything works for you well. Now in the normal mode, let's go to settings, let's go to Wi-Fi, let's select any available network that you have here and connect to it. Wait until you are connected. Next, to make sure that this problem no longer appears on your phone, select system and update, go to software update and check if your device has any updates, and if it does have any, then take your time to download and install the latest software version. It will take a moment, but it will surely improve the way that your hardware works on your phone. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.